friends, for this chutney recipe, we require the following ingredients. We will require 5 to 6 light green chilies. These are the less spicy ones. Half an inch of ginger, about 8 small cloves, 1 cup of fresh and washed clean cilantro, coriander or kothambir, the juice of half a large lemon, and salt to taste. So these are our ingredients. So now what we have to do is just put all of this into our mixer pot and grind it to a nice paste. Now the lemon gives this chutney a very lovely color as well as a good, lovely flavor too. Now for making this cheese and chutney sandwich, you will also require some bread. Now you can use any bread slices of your choice. You can use brown bread, you can use white bread, you can use the whole grain bread, whatever choice, whatever bread that you like and use on a regular basis for your sandwiches. At our home, we use brown bread. So you'll require that, and you'll also require some cheese slices, again of your choice, whatever you regularly use. You can use any of those cheese slices. Now once our chutney is ready, all we need to do is take our bread slices and cut off the edges or the crusts of the bread. Now if you are a person who likes to have sandwiches with the crust on or the edges on, then please leave it on. Now once we have finished cutting the edges off, we are going to apply some butter, little butter, just about half a teaspoon on both slices. Now remember, we haven't added any water to this chutney. It's only the lemon juice that is there in the chutney. So now apply this green chutney very, very generously onto one of the slices. Because if you put it on both slices, it becomes a little too much of chutney. So if you apply it on one slice, it just gives you the perfect taste. We don't want an overpowering sandwich. And then all is they're left to do is just put a slice of cheese. And then you can leave it as a whole if you like, or you can cut it up into 2 triangles. Well, this is such an ideal snack. It is a tiffin item, a breakfast item. It is a very easy recipe, but for those of you who are beginners and who would like to learn how to make these sandwiches, I hope this video helped you. So if you just make this green chutney in advance and keep it in your fridge and get some bread and some cheese slices, your sandwiches get ready in a jiffy. So here are our sandwiches all ready. Now this chutney, I always make a big batch of this chutney and it's always in my fridge because I use it for so many other recipes. I will be coming up with a video in which this one chutney serves so many recipes. So look out for that video. Now, if you're looking out for some more sandwich recipes, as of now, I have some more recipes on my channel. I have this amazing, delicious veg grill sandwich, which is a big hit with my kids and their friends in school. It's very simple and easy to make. I will leave a link below. I also have a recipe for corn and spinach, which is also a lovely sandwich recipe. And for those of you who love chicken, I have a chicken club sandwich recipe, which is also really, really delicious. And like I said, I'm going to come up with a video where I'm going to be using this one green chutney to make many, many different recipes. You will be amazed at how this one single chutney helps. You can make so many different things, right from chaat recipes like bhel and shev batata puri to much more complex recipes. So look out for that video. It will be coming up soon. And friends, if you like this recipe and if you would like to see such short and sweet recipes for learners who want to just, make simple recipes, then do leave a big thumbs up by hitting the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. Do leave your comments and requests in the comments box below. However simple the recipe will be, I will be more than happy to help you out by guiding you with simple and easy recipes or any recipe that you would like to see. Please do subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button that you see just below the video and become a part of Akshata's Recipes family. Once you have hit the subscribe button, do not forget to click the little golden bell so you won't miss out any of my recipes and uploads on my channel. You will get a notification that Akshata's Recipes has put up so and so recipe, so you can go and check it out. Also, friends, do share my recipes with family and friends and spread the word about Akshata's Recipes. I would really, really appreciate it so much. And please go and visit Akshata's Recipes and check out all my recipes. I have more than 230 recipes as of today, and I'm going to come up with many, 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 many more recipes now. So I'll catch you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, guys. Bye.